Hey YouTube, I'm trying to, I didn't slept through these curls. I gotta fix them tonight. But y'all, today is stuff gonna be, I'm going to get the first round of my microneedling sessions. I got 3 of them. So y'all know I did the hydrofacial. Now I'm on the microneedling. And y'all, last time I did microneedling, it worked so good, like for my dark spots and like my uneven skin tone to break it down. I just feel like now I've been like going through different like skincare products and even stuff to digest to keep my skin on track. So now I feel like I'll be able to maintain it better. Yeah, so that's at 12. It's like almost 9:30 now. I'm gonna go run some errands first, then I'm gonna go there. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the results. Okay, so y'all, before I did anything, I had to sign a form, like basically telling me like things that could happen, side effects. But 9 times out of 10, it's not gonna happen. Like, I've never had nothing happen bad with me with the microneedling. But then after that, I went straight into numbing. I think I numbed for about 45 minutes. I want to say it was like a lidocaine cream, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it's something stronger or different that they use, but last time I did it, it was lidocaine cream. So yeah. And then once the numbing cream, the timer went off, we went straight into it. And he put some type of serum. I need to start like asking exactly what he do so I could put it on the screen. But I just know it's gonna work, so I don't even be asking. I just know it's gonna work. Just give me stuff that's gonna work. But yeah, he put some type of serum on him so he won't be going across my face dry, because that can like make it have more hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. But yeah, he went right in. He went with the deepest needle. I think it was 2.5. And that's good, 'cause I need all them dark marks to break down. And it's been breaking down. So, And yeah, we was just yapping after that. I was trying not to talk so much because I didn't want to be moving my face too much while he doing it. But we both was talking, so it's okay. But y'all, I'm really like finna go on this skincare and weight loss journey because, for one, I'm so tired of acne, y'all. I've been dealing with acne damn near since I hit puberty. Like, not even damn near, I have. Like, I always embrace it, but I'm tired of it. I just wanted it to be clear. Like, and I wear makeup and stuff, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to wear that all the time. And I don't feel like I need to wear it all the time because of my dark spots, but I do be on clear skin. If it's not going to be clear, I don't want it to be dark marks. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you out there, you suffering with acne, dark marks, all that, you're not alone, boo. Like, we gonna get it together. And we gotta fix that gut health too, y'all. It's not just about the outside. We gotta fix that gut health. And I've been on that strong too, on it heavy. And y'all, like, speaking of weight loss skincare, what y'all doing this summer? Where y'all gonna be at? Cause I plan on being everywhere. Anywhere, everywhere. I want to have fun. That's my main goal this summer. I want to have fun. I want to execute my goals while I'm having fun. That's it. I'm not trying to be stressed, overwhelmed, none of that. I just want to have fun and I want to come through my goals. But I already got 2 trips planned for the summer, y'all. So what y'all doing? Go get y'all passport, something. I got a trip for in May to start the summer off. I got actually 2 trips. It's 2 trips in one, and I got another one in July for my birthday. Yeah, and I'm trying to plan another one for June. I don't know yet, but if I got the means and the time for it, I'm definitely going. But yeah, I didn't even tell y'all about the errands. So y'all see in the beginning of the clip, it was a short as IKEA video, but that's all I had time to do before the facial. But y'all, why I've never known about IKEA, like, they got so much stuff. First of all, when I went in there, y'all, I went in the wrong side of the building, so it was like the warehouse part. So I'm like, do I even supposed to be in here? Like, this is like somebody's job, like a fucking Amazon warehouse or something. I just feel like I wasn't supposed to be there. I end up going into the side where all the stuff at, and I said, oh, it's a lot of shit in here. Like, I was a little overwhelmed, but I was like surprised as well, because I'm like, it's so much stuff in here. Like, the more you walk, the more you see. Like, they got something for everything you looking for, like, literally. And they had like stages of the rooms. That was cool as hell. Like, to see how stuff gonna look, that was decent. But it's crazy because out of that whole store, I didn't find one thing I was looking for. Well, I did find it, they just didn't have it. I had to order it. and I didn't really want to wait. And once I got on the website, it had bad reviews. So I'm like, dang, if I would have saw it in the store, I would have just bought it. But the fact that I see it got bad reviews, now I don't want it bad. But yeah, when I moved though, I'm going there for like other smaller stuff. Like even like dress, they had a nice dress in there. It was a little overpriced, but it was nice though. But I'm definitely going in there when I move. Even probably before I move to start like racking up on stuff, so I don't gotta like rush the bag. But let's go back to the goals, y'all. I want y'all to tell me in the comments what's one of your like top 3 goals of 2025. And like, even if you don't have none, like what's your plan? Like what's something you want to do or try? Like if you don't have like super big goals, just tell me something like you want to try, something different you want to get into. Like, you know, I just be asking to like see what people be thinking, where they heavy at. But I also feel like when you have like a plan or goals or aspirations, it gives you something to look forward to. Because sometimes like you could just be going home, going to work. You might have kids, anything. Like it get a little boring and then get a little real. Like you be in a deep routine to where you don't even realize like you're not really like living or enjoying life as you may want to. Like you might not even think about things that might make you happy outside of this. So that's why I asked to like, you know, like that should give you something to look forward to. So why not? And also drop in the comments what type of list what type of music y'all like to listen to, like especially for like watching videos and vlogs. Because I'll be trying to find certain music, like non-copyrighted music, and it'd be cool, but I'll be using the same music because it'd be so hard to find good non-copyrighted music. But yeah, like when y'all watching vlogs or videos, what y'all like to, you know, bob your head to, sway a little side to side. Okay, so y'all, right here, Jay, that's the person who doing my facial. He did tell me I had a little redness. So he put on this jelly mask for me to calm down the redness. I didn't really see too much redness compared to like when I first used to get it. I used to be like red, but I didn't see too much redness this time. I don't know if it's because I had got the hydrofacial like some weeks ago and I was kind of preparing my skin. But I felt like I was good. Like I wasn't red, I wasn't bleed, none of that. I was cool. Just to prevent that anything, he did that. And that mask like so cooling, y'all. Like it feels so good. Then he ended up putting me under the red light. I've honestly been doing red light therapy every time I'm going to get me a facial. I'm gonna add to the screen what it helped. I'm not too sure what it helped with. I always see about it and like hear about it that it do help with something. I just can't remember.
I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Okay, so y'all, this is my skin right after in the car. I'm so hyped for the results because after the third session, I just know, oh my God, I love microneedling. But he went 2.5, milliliters, whatever, deep, the needles. So that's the deepest he can go. So I can't wait till all this stuff break up. Yeah, get the skin right before the summer. I'm glad I did it now because you can't have too much sun exposure. And I'm trying to, like, you know, get it up with. I thought I was going to be redder, but that mask and that red light helped. Yep. Okay, so y'all, this is my skin after, well, this day one. This the day after the microneedling session. And I could say, compared to that video I posted, I'm going to put it in 2 weeks ago. Mine should look way better. I got to lose that neck fat, y'all. But I'm really trying to get all this darkness off. Mine should look way better, though. This broke down a lot. All that little patchiness I had going on. I got a little more color back. Yeah. Getting that skin together for summer. Y'all, and I forgot to tell y'all, this why I'm in the car. I just woke up from a nap. I had to go to this car shop because why somebody's daughter hit my car? Her daddy was teaching her how to drive. Well, she was, learning how to drive. And she was parking and hit my car while I was at work. And I'm so grateful that they are good people and he came in my job and told me, because I would have got off work and been pissed. But I'm not even mad about it because they good people, they getting it fixed. Hey, it is what it is. Shit happens. I ain't even mad. But I'm like, what's the odds of that? Yeah, every Hyundai I get though, somebody else fuck it up. I think I'm gonna switch the type of car I get next time I get a new car, because maybe Hyundai ain't for me. I love my Hyundais, but I don't know.